Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel. Today I have come again with a requested video. I got a request yesterday from one of my students. She asked me, ma'am, can we just install the apps on the laptop? Yes, we can install apps on the laptop like TuxPaint, Google Meet, Zoom app and Google Classroom. I think she's asked me. So I will show you a simple trick what to do when you open the Google Chrome or any other browser. You simply have to go here, and can you see this is my Google account and these are the apps. You can see Gmail, that's Google Mail, Google Meet, okay, and even the Google Classroom is here. So they are all coming free with your Google account. So with the Google account, you get many apps which are free. So there is no need to install these apps. You can simply write meet.google.com if you want to just use Meet on your laptop. And when you just press the link, click it, you will see in some time the interface will appear and you can just use here. See, this is the interface, how it appears on the laptop. This is for the new meeting. If you want to make a new meeting, this is, for example, you want to enter in somebody's meeting, you will write the code over here, okay, and this is for having a new meeting, sharing the link, getting the instant start or scheduling it in Google Calendar, depends. Similarly, I will show you another, which is Google Classroom. For Google Classroom, you have to write classroom.google.com. The moment you will write classroom.google.com, in some time you will see, it will take some time because internet is very slow in Kashmir right now. It will take some time and then you can just see that page. The page for Google Classroom will appear. On Google Classroom, what you will find the same interface as you get on your mobile phones. Okay? It is the same interface. That means the both apps are here. You can see these are here. And if it is taking time to upload, you can just write similarly. You can write what? You can write https, okay, :/ then you can write classroom.google.com. Why I'm telling you to write this? Because sometimes what happen, because this is the protocol, the first one is the protocol for HTML. We know HTML is the hypertext markup languages which helps us to make the websites, right? So this is the protocol which runs through, okay? Then so you can see it's loaded here almost. But why I'm using HTTPS and all? This is because HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol with S. S means secured. So you can see this is your Google Classroom. If you want to review or you can move to the Google Classroom, you can just go here. This is the same thing as you see on your laptops. So this is again the second application work is also solved. Now we have third application she talked about was I think not TuxPaint, we'll do it at the end. We will do first HTTP Zoom. She asked about Zoom. HTTPS : zoom.us/download. You have to write. When you write this, you have to write this whole link. When you write this, in some time you will see that Zoom app will show its interface where you have to work. You have to use the download option and you have to download your app from there. Because I've already this app, I can show you. I already have this Zoom app here installed. Even I installed TuxPaint to see is it working or not. Okay. So when you write the Zoom, see this, the interface has appeared. You can see it here, and here you have to download it. When you press the download option, the installer will get downloaded, and then you can install it on your system. And the last one she asked was TuxPaint. For TuxPaint, you have to write www.tuxpaint.org. Okay. The moment you would write this, in some time you will see the page for TuxPaint will appear. What is a TuxPaint? It is a paint application which mostly children use, or small kids use, for for getting that idea of painting. See, the painting has come up. It has this logo, a penguin type of a thing. Here it is download. Okay, if you press this download here, or even if you don't press this down, you can see there download over here, also more download options. You can simply go here and press this. When you press this, okay, you can see this is saying that the downloads are available for Windows, Macros, Androids. Okay, so you can just get the download and you have to install it. After you install it, because it takes time to install, that is why I have installed it beforehand. You can see this is the app. You can just simply open it, keep it on your front screen and open it. When you open it, it will be just like a paint app, a simple paint app. You can keep the location anywhere. I have kept D drive. It takes some time because it is showing a watch. Watch means wait, because it is uploading. And you can see, you can hear a lot of music because I have kept music off. And see, I had made this one beforehand to show you. It was my already made videos. It's like open. Okay, now we want to use a new one. Okay, then you can start with you can go back. Okay, then you can start with new one. So how to do one? You can just start any screen. You can use a blue screen or a black screen, any screen you want. Okay, and open it. Then here you can see there are many options like magic. You can go and get something like here. See, this is the colors, chalks, calligraphy. Okay, move downwards, you can see foam. Right? Okay, then if you want to go and see a color of flower, can you see a flower? And then similarly, you can even write on there. I can like I wrote something like thanks for watching my video. So this is how you can just upload different apps on your laptop. It is very simple. Just go step by step. Just write this particular link, because if you just search in the Google, this is another option. You can just simply search in the Google. That is also available. But the thing is, then you tend to see a lot of links. Some are active and some are not. So if I am giving you the particular link, if you press on there, you will be in the right place. Okay. So this is all for today. I hope you liked the video, and please comment, share and subscribe.